Whatever floats your boat. Exploring personal preferences. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's both common and vividly descriptive. Whatever floats your boat. This saying is all about personal preferences and tastes. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Stay tuned to become more fluent and expressive in English. Whatever floats your boat is a casual, informal expression used to acknowledge that people have different tastes and preferences. It suggests that what makes one person happy or satisfied might not be the same for someone else. The phrase is equivalent to saying, "Whatever you like," or "Whatever makes you happy." It's a way of expressing acceptance of someone's choices or preferences, no matter how different they may be from your own. While the exact origin of "whatever floats your boat" is a bit murky, it's clear that it draws imagery from the idea of a boat floating happily on water. This metaphor can be linked to the notion that whatever keeps you afloat or brings you joy is valid. The phrase has been used in various forms of media and conversation, gaining popularity for its easygoing and accepting nature. 1. Agreement and acceptance. Use it when you want to show you're okay with someone's choice. For example, if a friend decides to spend their evening reading rather than going out, you might say, "If that's what floats your boat, go for it." 2. Discussing preferences. It's perfect for talking about likes and dislikes. In a conversation about music, you might hear, "I prefer jazz to rock, but hey, whatever floats your boat." 3. Light-hearted advice. When giving advice without imposing your views, you can conclude with, "But in the end, do whatever floats your boat." It suggests that the final decision should be what makes the person happy. Whatever floats your boat is a delightful expression that celebrates individuality and personal preferences. It's a reminder that it's okay for everyone to have their own likes and dislikes. We hope this video has enriched your English vocabulary and encouraged you to embrace and express your unique preferences more freely. Remember, the beauty of language lies in how it connects us, despite our differences. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful. Keep exploring, and let your curiosity float your boat.